What is the length of side FH in the triangle FGH? Okay, so FGH, this is the triangle. Side FH would be this side right here, F to H. Okay, and it has, in the picture, it has the box in there, so that means that this is a right triangle. Therefore, if we know the length of any two sides of a right triangle, we can find the length of the third side by using the Pythagorean theorem. That is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and B are the legs, and the legs make the right angle, which is 90 degrees. And they will tell you it is a right triangle or a right angle, or they'll put a box here, or they'll say angle G is 90 degrees. Okay? So we have our legs. Doesn't matter which one is A or which one is B. Let's say leg A and leg B. Okay, and this is your hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle, and it's across from your 90-degree angle. Okay, so let's plug in the pieces that we have into our formula, and then we'll solve it. A squared, 6 squared, plus b squared, 8 squared, equals c squared. Okay, so we have our calculator. It'll do most of the work for us. 6 squared. 6, x squared, will put your little exponent up there, x to the second power. That's the same thing as 6 times 6, which is 36. Plus, clear that, 8 squared. 8 to the second power, 8 squared. Hit enter, and it's 64 because 8 times 8 is 64. That equals c squared. Okay, but we want to know c, don't we? The length of this side is c. Therefore, we must find, critical step, the square root of 36 plus 64. That will tell us the length of side C. So, let's add 36 plus 64, and we get 100. So we have the square root of 100 equals C. Okay, so we want to find out what is the square root of 100. Use your green second key, use your x squared key, and there's your radical sign to put 100 within it. Scroll over to get out of the box, hit enter, and it tells us that 10 times 10 is 100. 10 is the square root of 100. So the length of side C is 10.